Hi everyone. Let us start with the next method of valuation of share, that is valuation based on capitalization factor. Then what does mean by capitalization factor? Let us go ahead with it. Before that, this is an alternative method of valuation of share to the price earning ratio method. Price earning ratio method can also be have an alternative method that is known as valuation based on capitalization factor. Then what does it mean by capitalization? So capitalization factor is a multiple or divisor that is used to convert the income from an investment into a value metric. This factor is mostly used to determine the value of the business. The main intention of the valuation based on the capitalization factor is to find out the value of the business. How that can be found out? Again, there are formulas are available for that, right? Yes. Then later, capitalization factor is means what? This is a multiplier. This is a multiple or a divisor that is used to convert the income expected from an investment into the value metric, right? And moreover, there are formulas are available for the calculation of valuation based on the capitalization factor, right? Then how do we find out the capitalization factor? As such, capitalization factor is equals to 100 divided by NRR. 100 divided by NRR, right? This is the capitalization factor. Capitalization factor is always in terms of percentage or percentile, right? Yes. Then later, value of a business is equals to profit for the year into capitalization factor, right? Yes. Then later, value of a share is equals to value of business divided by number of equity share, right? Yes. Under capitalization factor, the capitalization factor is equals to 100 divided by NRR. Then value of a business is equals to profit for the year into capitalization factor. Then value of a share is equals to, that is each value of a share is equals to value of business divided by number of equity shares, right? Yes. Then here we are having one problem, so that based on that we shall go ahead with the solution part of it. Yes, right? From the following information, compute the value of an equity share by using the capitalization factor. Then again, profit earned by the company is given, NRR is given, then 10,000 equity share of rupees 10 each, that is 1 lakh is given, right? Yes. Then what does we need to find? We need to find the value of an equity share under the capitalization factor, right? Yes. Therefore, is equals to here capitalization factor is equals to factor is equals to 100 divided by NRR, that is normal rate of return. Normal rate of return is how much? 8, right? Yes. 100 divided by 8 when we make, we will get the answer as 12.5%, right? then this is the capitalization factor, right? Yes. Then later the value of business is equals to profit into capitalization factor. Capitalization factor. Therefore, profit is how much? Profit is how much? Profit earned by the company is 25,000 into the capitalization factor that we have already find out, that is 12.5. When we find is equals to here 25,000 into 12.5 is equals to 3,12,500, right? Yes. Then later value of a share is equals to value of business divided by number of equity share. Therefore, the value of business, how much we have find out? Already we have find out it is 3,12,500 divided by number of equity shares. Number of equity shares given is 10,000. Therefore, here is equals to rupees 31.25 value of a share. For each value of a share is equals to 31.50.